Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to recreate Lady Gaga and Ariana Grande's new video, these two makeup looks. I'll go ahead and insert them right here. Here is Lady Gaga's look and here is Ariana Grande. I wanted to do a 2-in-1 video. I've seen Alyssa Ashley already has posted her video, which she's fucking fast, because as soon as I saw the video I was like, I need to do that, but it takes me a little bit longer, so props to her, she's hella quick. But I wanted to do a 2-in-1 video, so I'm gonna be doing both looks today in this video. So if you want to see how I get both of those looks, just keep on watching. I think for this video I'm just gonna go ahead and start with the face. I'm gonna moisturize really quickly using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This is the dupe for the Belief Aqua Bomb. I fucking love the Belief Aqua Bomb way more though. I don't really like the smell of this one, but I've been using it, so it's cheaper. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know I'm not really a primer fan. It's just not my vibe. I just moisturize the shit out of my skin. My skin's pretty good. Don't really have acne, knock on wood. My skin is just more on the dry side. Foundation, I'm going to be using the Fit Me Matte and Poreless. So I have a lot of looks that are similar to this one, but it's really interesting to see celebrities with like graphic eyeliner and things like that, so I'm really happy. Like my favorite style of makeup is in music videos and stuff like that now. For concealer, I'm going to be doing my regular schmegular routine, doing a little bit of ColourPop. This one is like too light for me now. I think it was always too light for me. I ordered the wrong shade online, but I'm going to use it anyways because I paid for it. And then I'm going to be going in with the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. And I just squeezed a little bit of that on the back of my hand. This is the new packaging. I actually really like it now. And this is in the shade 20.5. which is medium sand. I like this one because it has like a very slight salmon-y undertone to this, which is really good because my under eye circles are absolutely awful. And I blend out my eyes the last. That way I can set them right away. And then I'm just gonna set it really quickly. And I set all the way to my nose because right here in between my nose I do notice that my makeup kind of messes up sometimes. And then with my Alexi brush, just take a little bit more, just a tiny bit. I don't really set the rest of my face too well because I like my face to look a little dewy, but under the eyes I really don't like that. Next, taking my Milani bronzer. I'm basically doing my everyday makeup tutorial right now. I might post a separate video of that just for funsies, but this is basically what I do every day. Then I'm going to be taking this other Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number on it though. Sorry about that. And then taking my Hoola bronzer because they're really bronzed, just like right about here. I'm just going to chisel that out with this bronzer. I'm going to be spraying my face with MAC's Fix Plus. And I'm going to be taking my Ofra highlighter and the shade Hollywood whatever. Oh no, Rodeo Drive. That was Hollywood. Oh, that was Anastasia. pretty sure they're like super glowy. Yeah. She's really glowy here, here, here. A little bit here. On the nose. And then we'll go ahead and start on the eyes. I'm gonna tap out any foundation that I might have put on my eyes. I guess I'll take my Jaclyn Hill palette. She doesn't really have too much in the crease. So I'm just gonna take Silk Cream just for a little tiny color all the way at top. And I'm gonna be taking today my Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. This is water activated liner, so I'm just gonna use my little spray bottle that I always use for my looks. I'm gonna spray some water into this, and then let's see, and I'm just gonna be dipping that into the Suva Beauty liner and activating that. Let me get a little bit closer. It has a like a liner, so I'm gonna do that first. We'll touch up again with the little brush, but I just want to see if I'm getting this shape right. I kind of want to put a lash on just to see how it looks. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid liner. I always need a freaking black liner for my lashes because they're humongous. Let's let this dry. While we're letting it dry, we can do the lips. For her lip, it's like a brownie nude, so I'm gonna take Max Spice. I look fucking crazy right now. I don't have any lipstick that color, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my Anastasia lip palette, and I'm gonna take this shade right here. And I don't really like that one, never mind. I'm gonna take like a brownie nude. I guess this top color right here. I'm gonna take Fenty Beauty's Gloss Bomb in the shade Fenty Glow. So these are the lips done, and then I'm gonna apply some lashes. These are Lash Dream lashes. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara. And that is the Lady Gaga look all finished. So that is everything for Lady Gaga's look. So let's jump into Ari's look. I am back. I just took off the white eyeliner. And they have like basically the same face makeup on, so I'm leaving that on. I'm like covering up where I took off all the makeup with this concealer. This is the Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer. If you guys can see, like right here in the inner corner, it looks kind of crazy. So I'm just going to take this same Ofra highlighter and put it right there in the inner corner. Then I'm gonna pull up Ari's look. I'm gonna do the same thing that I did to the other look, and I'm gonna put some crease colors in here. Taking some bronzer first. Taking MAC's Uninterrupted and oops. I'm just doing a little bit of that. Taking the same color and sweeping it underneath. For this look, I'm going to be using the same little tiny brush, and I'm going to take the Suva Beauty liner again and the water. They both did white looks, so it makes it easy for you if you want to recreate both. So you want to make sure that you do it above your crease. Now, if you do it just along your crease, when you close your eyes, it's going to transfer. See how when I open my eyes it doesn't touch at all? So if you can see on the picture, she has eyeliner underneath as well. So I don't know how the fuck I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna take my big mirror again and just pop it over here. Oh shoot, she has a black eyeliner. I just saw another picture, so hold up. I totally didn't see that she had a freaking eyeliner. Let's curl the lash, put a lash, curl the lash, put an eyelash on and see how that looks. I'm pretty sure that looks really good, if I do say so myself. Ooh. Let's do the other eye. I'm sorry the mirror's in the way. Girl, I gotta see, you know? It's not easy. Let's do a dose of colors. Let's cuddle. Oh, that's kind of like too good. Never mind. Actually, just like a light layer of that. And then we'll do the same Fenty Gloss Bomb on the outside. And then in the center, we'll do Diamond Milk. That way it's like more pinky. I hate messing up the freaking doe foot. Look at this. It was white. Oh yeah. And then on her waterline she has some black, so I'm just gonna do that. This is Ariana Grande's look done. It looks so cute. It's like a cute graphic liner moment. And that is everything for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this 2-in-1 video. It was super fun to make, and I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Make sure to check me out on Instagram to see pictures of this look and all my other looks. Make sure to subscribe if you aren't already to see more creative looks like this one. I'll go ahead and put up some more videos that you guys might like right here. And that is everything that I have to say. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I love you. Bye everyone.